Hi, I'm Dr. Bob McBride, a practicing dentist in Long Beach, California. And as all other dentists want for their patients, they want them to be safe in the office during procedures that are being done, as well as having a clean environment. Part of that has to do with when we remove mercury fillings from people's teeth. They constantly emit vapor, especially when they're being removed, not only when the person's just walking around. So we have developed a mercury-safe removal protocol that will help keep the environment clean in the office and keep our patients, myself and my assistant and everyone else in the office safe. So part of it has to do with a air cleaner that's called a Silent Night, and it effectively removes particulate matter and the mercury vapor from the air. So today I want to demonstrate for you how mercury does come out of these fillings. That'll give you an understanding of how important it is to have things done safely. So this is to demonstrate how mercury vapor is continually being released from the fillings that are in people's teeth. This is a box of extracted teeth that each one has a mercury filling. They're probably 30 plus years old. They've been laying in a bottle I've had through the years. So what I'm going to do is put it in front of this Jerome mercury vapor analyzer and push the sample button, and what's happening here is that the air is being drawn through the probe into the inside of the machine, and it will register the volume of mercury in micrograms per cubic meter of air. And what it shows here is 67 micrograms per cubic meter of air that's coming out of this tooth with a mercury filling that's been laying around for years. So what if we took and agitated this filling a little bit with a pencil eraser? Kind of like going to the hygienist and having your teeth polished. Let's see what happens there. So I'm going to zero this out and push the sample button and hold it right here. Again, the air is being drawn into the machine through the probe, and we have 294 micrograms per cubic meter of air showing. So that's quite a significant change. And if you magnify that with the person that has 98.6 degree temperature plus hot coffee, plus if you grind your teeth and you have several of these with several teeth with these fillings, you can imagine how unsafe that is. So what I want to do next is show the efficiency of the air cleaner we have here. It's a Silent Night, and we use it in our office, and I want to turn it on. And before I do that, I want to make sure everything's safely done, and I want to do it with use this filter here to make sure that this Jerome vapor analyzer is not contaminated from the teeth that the tooth that I just used. So we're going to let it go down to zero before we test it with the Silent Night. We're down to zero, so I'm going to remove the filter. I'm going to put the probe back on. I'm going to turn the Silent Night on, and I'm going to take the tooth that we just used with the mercury filling, and I'm going to hold it in line with the probe, and we're down to zero for sure, and I'm going to push the sample, and here we go. And lo and behold, we have a zero reading. That shows why I use this device in my office and why I think everybody should use them in their home. I'm going to get one for my home, in my bedroom, and they're well priced. They're not the real expensive ones that aren't quite as efficient. I'd rather get 5 of these than one of the ones that doesn't work as well. I'm happy to show you how efficient the Silent Night air cleaner is. So this is one of my diagnostic and treatment rooms where we remove the mercury fillings from people's teeth. And this shows the Silent Night. It's on there 24/7, continually removing not only mercury vapor, but the millions of particulates in the air that we all breathe. And we have it on 24/7. And when we come in Monday morning, you can actually tell that the air is cleaner. And we have fewer people sneezing, and it just helps the whole office.
Visit 800pureair.com to see this breakthrough technology or call 800 Pure Air. It's not just quiet, it's silent. Silent Night Air Cleaner. 800 Pure Air.